my name is Leah and welcome to my channel. As you see, we played with some makeup today, and that's because we got the So Jade palette by Kathleen Likes x Colourpop. It is a collab, and this is honestly the biggest palette they have created ever, so of course I had to get it. Besides that, the palette is beautiful. I love that it feels like very durable. It is as big as my head, which I am obsessed with. There are so many shade variations, and I only did 6 different colors on my lid. I think it was 6. If I recall right. Anyway, the palette is absolutely gorgeous. This is how the palette looks. Honestly, look at all of those colors. There's a lot of cool tones, a lot of shiny stuff, a lot of warm tones. It's just literally perfect in its own way. And then if you guys watch Colourpop'S video on this palette, they also did mention that the corners you can actually use as like a different eyeshadow. And I believe that it's true. Like you can pick any 4 and do a different eyeshadow look on it. I just think this palette is very versatile and I'm obsessed. So if you guys want to see how I did this eye look, just stay tuned. Today I have such an exciting video. I am so excited. You guys have no idea. There are a lot of reviews on YouTube, but I am not going to be doing a review. This is the So Jaded palette, and honestly it's like bigger than my face. It feels very like durable, and I love the packaging. Like, it looks so classy. The back has all the names on it, and honestly, I just can't wait to play with them all. They look amazing, and I'm not even sure what eye look we're gonna do, but we're gonna figure it out. We'll see. We're gonna try it out. I'm so excited. So the first color I'm gonna use is this orange color. It's called Carlian? I'm not really sure, but I'm putting this on the outer part of my lid, kind of in the crease, but kind of above it too, because I do want another color to go there. The second color we're gonna use is this nice green color. It's called Jade. We're gonna put that on the outer V of the eye. After that, we're gonna put the color Stoned on top of that, just because it's not as deep and dark like I want it to be, like I want it to pop, and it kind of just seems to blend out. After that, we're gonna go in with this transition color. It's called Geodude from Pokemon, pretty funny. But we're gonna put it on top just to kind of blend the colors to the inner corner. And as you see here, I am doing a poor job of doing a cut crease, but that is my version of doing it. That's how I know how to do it. So that's what we're doing. And on top of that, we're gonna put this really shiny green color. It's called Periods. I can't say it right, but that's what it's called. It just adds a nice pop of color. I really like it. So then after that, we're gonna take Diamond and we're gonna put it in the inner corner of our eye, and we're also gonna put it underneath our eyebrow just to add that extra kind of pop of a shine. Underneath my eye, I put the color Period in the inner corner, and then on the outside, I did put Geodude just so it kind of brought the look together. This is how it looks without lashes or eyeliner, so I'm gonna go do that now. That is all for my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed me playing with makeup. If you did, please leave a like on my video. It really helps. You guys have no idea. And please comment down below what your favorite shade is, or if you're getting in the palette. I would really appreciate the engagement. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to support me. That is the best way you possibly can. But that is all that I have for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.